Hey Chevies, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually Chevalier, just in case you didn't know. As you guys can see from the title, a girl got her first Louis Vuitton bag. But it's time to show off on what I got. And yeah, I don't know if I should do a disclaimer because I like my bag and I want to show it off. So yeah, like, you saw the video, you clicked on the video, so it's like I'm gonna show up because I like my bag. Like, I actually got this bag as a gift from my boyfriend. Shout out to you, boyfriend. It was for our 3-year anniversary and he shitted, period. Guys, I was super excited. If you guys saw my vlog, I already kind of did an unboxing, but yeah, this is the official video. So this is what the box looks like. Very simple. The box, oh my gosh, guys, so sturdy. Like, why is a box so sturdy? Like a whole knocking on the door type shit. And when you open the box, this is what it is. So cute, so elegant. Oh my gosh, guys, like, the box just looks so pretty. And then, you know, it also comes with the bow to tie it. I already unraveled it and I'm gonna keep the bow because it was a lot of money, so I'm gonna keep the bow. I love the dust bag so much because it's just so simple and everything. Like, it's like real 100% cotton, and that's what I like. And then, yeah, has like this little tag or whatever. But final reveal, the first bag that I ever received from Louis Vuitton. This is the bag. Let's admire the bag. Let's admire the bag. Look at it. Let's admire the bag. Look at the details. Look at the details. Like, guys, look at the details. My first Louis Vuitton bag and I'm just excited. This is the Alma BB, the monogram color, and guys, it's just so pretty. Like, even with my outfit right now, it matches. But yeah, guys, let's get into the detail. This is what the bag looks like, so you guys could see. And I know you guys probably watch so many YouTube videos, but like, here's an update YouTube video. Like, here's an update if it's still worth it to get the bag. So I myself feel like it's worth it because this bag is just like so elegant. I'm new to luxury bags, so I was like kind of indecisive on what I wanted from Louis Vuitton, and you know, my boyfriend was there like helping me out. So I was like, yeah, I think I want the basic, the one not the one everybody got, but the one that's just like so beautiful to get. And I'm gonna still show you guys like a little up close on the table so I can show you guys. It comes with the authentic card, you know, with every designer, that's what you get. He bought it in the store, so it got the receipt. He bought it at Saks Fifth Ave too. And when my best friend also has this Louis Vuitton bag, and she said when she bought it, it was cheaper than when I got mine. I think she got it like $100 less than me. I'm gonna tell you the price because clearly you guys want to know what the bag looks like, the price, if it's in your budget. It came up, it was $1,480, and with, like, I live in New York, so with New York tax, it came all together $1,611.40. So that's how much that came up to. And it came also with this, like, these little cards that's in the bag, so these little stamps or whatever, and you know, with the price on it. So I guess that's there, so you know, to show that, to make sure that the bag is for real, just in case you ever wanted to, like, you know, resell it, because sometimes you get bored of the bag. It also comes with this little mini dust bag for the lock. Say if you don't want to wear the lock anymore, you could absolutely take it off and put it in this little dust bag, which is so cute. So I'm in love with that. And when I first got the bag, I was like, where are the keys to the lock? Because I know there's keys, because my best friend has one. So I'm like, where are the keys? So I'm like, okay, if it doesn't come with keys, it's okay. Like, but deep down I'm like, girl, this was like $1,000 something. Where are the keys? You're paying for what you get for it. Guys, when I'm telling you, this bag is so, oh, the fact that you would never lose these keys, because if you lose the bag, you lose the keys. Tell me why the keys are in here. Like, they are in here. Like, I was like looking for the keys all over the box, and then I'm shaking the bag and I hear a noise. And I'm like, the keys are in here. I'm so slow. Like, when you guys push this out, this is where the keys are. Isn't that so cute? And what I like about the bag the most is that when you put for the lock, is that they have these little holes. Like, if you guys see them, they have these little holes, and that's where you put the lock. So I feel like that's cute, instead of putting the lock inside of here, which is kind of tacky, and that's what most brands do, that you have a little hole for your lock, which is super cute. And right now the bag is kind of stiff because it's brand new, so it's not gonna open as wide as it should be. But this is what the inside looks like. And then this is the crossbody. Now, I was kind of worried about the crossbody because I am tall and thick, so when it comes to like crossbody bags, I have to make sure that they're kind of adjustable. But this one fits for every body type, so I'm so happy that it's not, the fact that it's not adjustable and it fits every body type was perfect. I'm gonna show you guys in a while, but this is how long it is. Can it fit like a belt? Let me see. You see, even when, like, if you wanted to wear the strap as a belt, you definitely can. Well, for me, I can wear it as a belt, which is nice. But guys, this is what the crossbody strap looks like. I like how it has like the red interior inside of here. I don't know if you guys could see, but this is what it looks like. The only con about this bag, when I was watching the reviews and stuff, they were saying to make sure, like, say if you put lotion in your hands, try not to touch the bag, well, at the bottom part, because it could get marks and the marks will never go away. Try to make sure not to put water near the bag, because once the water touched this part of the bag, it will get messed up and you will see the marks. And this is what the bottom looks like. So say if you, like, you know, put it on top of a table, it's not really on the table. They also do have a compartment side right here, so you could put, like, I guess you put your card wallet in there. I do have the YSL card holder, and I tried to fit it in there and it was not fitting because I guess it was kind of too snug. But it was just like, it was kind of a struggle to put the YSL card holder in it. This is my cheap wallet, where like when I know I'm not going nowhere, and it has a lot of stuff, like my cards, it has coins. Like, even when I put it in there, like, it still can move around. Like, if you can see, it moves around. Would like to, like, you know, it's about to be summertime, so I want to carry my little perfume with me so I can freshen up. So that's in there. You can't forget about the lotion. Just make sure the lotion is closed. And then look, guys, still just moving around. Like, everything is still moving around. And I also like to have this little fan with me. Got it from Amazon. I will link it down below, but it's like a 3-in-1 where it's a fan. This is the one setting, and this is the higher setting. So, you know, when it's hot outside, and it's also a charger, and it's also a flashlight. I need my charger, and I need at least 2 portable chargers. So I do have another portable charger that I have. Can't forget about my AirPods. I have the iPhone 10, so it's like the iPhone XS Max, but that fits in there. And look, it's not moving as much as it was before, but like, guys, the fact that I have a bag like that fits so much, you also want to rearrange it to the point where you're not, like, you know, disforming the bag, if that's even a word. It's heavy right now, but it fits a lot. It fits a lot of stuff, and that's what I'm happy about. I don't know, with me, I feel like when it comes to luxury bags, I need to make it worthwhile for myself. So if I'm gonna get a luxury bag, I need to make sure it could also fit all the stuff that I need when I go out. Even when I did use this for the first time, my camera that I'm using, I have the Canon G7X, it also fit in here. So as you guys can see, that the strap is super long, which I'm happy about, because I was kind of scared that it was not going to be long, because like I said, I'm 5'7" and I'm my weight, so I thought it was just going to be like a bag that's like right here, and I do not like that, because it's like, what's the whole point of a crossbody if it's not hanging as a crossbody? So legit, look how, with everything that was folded up and everything, look how long it is. Like, I like that. So if you're tall and you feel like it's not gonna fit as a crossbody, it definitely will, so be happy about that. But yeah guys, this is how they look. You know, I did a little slideshow so you guys can see how it looks on me, and I really like this a lot. Like, it's just like, say if I'm matching from head to toe, and then I just have this nice cute little bag right next to me, and it's designer, period. Who's telling me anything? So guys, that's the whole review of the bag. Like guys, this is something I've always wanted. I didn't even know I you know, get it myself, but then it's just like, the fact that my boyfriend thought of me and got it, I love you. If you want it, try to save up and get it, and it's always sold out. Like, especially when I remember him trying to get the bag, it was like always sold out. So the best bet was to go in the store if you're trying to buy it online, like Saks Fifth app or the Louis Vuitton store. So yeah, this is the final product. It's so cute. I'll do like a little slide video at the end so you guys can see the whole entire bag. But yeah guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I do have a luxury haul coming soon, and this will be included, but I just wanted to have like a whole dedicated video to it. And yeah guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Get to know me and I'll get to know you. Follow me on all my social media and follow me through this journey as I become a black luxury girl, period.